Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're looking at Task Pays. Okay, this is an amazing website because so far I made 1,310 rand, and I'll show you proof of how you can actually make money with this. Okay, so if you're sitting there right now, you can do this on your mobile phone or your laptop. Okay, so don't worry, this is gonna be easy. You're just gonna watch videos and earn rewards. Okay, so get rewarded for watching videos from brands you care about. Now if you think about Netflix, all these top brands, they advertise on this platform, and I'm going to show you right now when I log in. But before we log in, I just want to show you, it says watch a video. We love videos and you love videos too. Log in and watch short videos from advertiser videos. Okay, so even if you're an advertiser and you want to advertise your videos on you pay for advertising, and us, as we are the guys that will watch the videos, and we will also get paid whenever the advertiser pays for the ads that display on this website. Okay, it says make money, earn additional cash for every friend you refer. So if you have friends right now and family that you want to actually get them into this opportunity, then you can go ahead. In fact, I'm gonna leave my link in the description, so that whenever you do tasks and work, I will earn more money. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna log in, and you're gonna see how much money I actually made so far. Okay, so I'm gonna use Facebook. If you have Facebook, you can just register even with Facebook, but let me log in with Facebook. Okay, there we go, we are logged in. As you can see over here, let me just zoom in. It says 1,000. This is my earning balance. I made 1,310 rand. My spending balance is 140 rand, and I've already basically draw at least 415 rand so far. Okay, so if you look at this here, it says Denzel SA TV Capital. That's the account that I'm on right now. So if you're brand new, you're gonna get a starter account. A starter account doesn't give you much ads. You get about 4 ads a day, but if you upgrade, you're gonna get way more. Okay, so we'll get now into the place where I'll show you how you can actually make money by watching ads. But let's just click on one of these ads and let me show you how it actually works. So here, for example, here's a bunch of top related videos, but if you go over here and you say watch and earn, you can click that. Okay guys, so this is what your tasks TV page looks like. This is my plain TV Capital. I get paid about 7 rand for each, 7 rand and 39 cents for each ad that I watch. Now as you notice, these are actually popular brands like Netflix and Prime Video that's actually advertising here, and when you watch their videos, you actually get paid. Okay, like here's Netflix over here. Let's go further down. I think Netflix, and then Showtime. These are big companies that's actually going to pay you, so you don't have to be stressed out and think, what if I don't earn money? Okay, so with a starter plan, you're just gonna get paid. You're just gonna get 4 ads, which every single day you're gonna get 4 ads, and if you want more ads, you're gonna have to upgrade your plan. You get about 13 days as a free trial to use it, and then from there you will actually not have any more ads coming your way. So I would advise that you upgrade. Okay, so this is a simple opportunity that you can get started with right now. Let me show you what does the plans actually look like when you click on upgrade. Okay guys, so this is actually the upgrade page. If you want a free plan, you can move up to any of these other plans. Now keep in mind, like I said, the free plan is only limited for 13 days. After that, you will literally have to upgrade to any of these other plans to still get ads every single day and earn from this. Okay, so you get unlimited direct referral limit. The minimum first payout is 221 rand. The maximum payout is 739 rand. And if I think this is when your friends or the people that you refer, if they get about 4 videos that they watch and you earn from those 4 videos, okay, then you will earn at least 2 rand 2.96 when you watch your videos. So you get a minimum of 4 videos to watch, and as you go further up it increases, and you buy into this. Okay, this one costs 709 so this one is 1,774 rand and further up. Now I'm on a TV Capital plan, which gives you a whole lot more. You earn a whole lot more. As you can see here, it says maximum daily payout is up to 36,000 rand, and the minimum daily payout is 221 rand, which is on all of them the same. But the cool thing is you don't just get a few ads. When your friends watch your their ads, you get about 23 ads that you can watch on a daily basis, but you get 45 ads that you will basically be watching on a daily basis. So you'll be earning from 23 friends and from your own ads. Okay, so if you refer a lot of different friends, you can earn a lot more. So as you can see, it goes way up, you know, TV Select and so much more. So if you like this opportunity, you can earn a lot of money, but keep in mind, if you're on the free plan, it's just going to be for 13 days and cashing out will not really work out. Okay, now as you can see, we're back at the home screen, and this is now the dashboard of your earnings and your spending balance and all the money that you already draw out of this whole thing. Okay, so if you want to upgrade, you can click upgrade. If you want to deposit money, you can deposit money over there. And then if you would like to withdraw your money, you would click over here where it says withdraw money. Okay, click there. Okay, so this is what your balance looks like when you try to withdraw your money. And if you go down here, you see it's 1,310 rand and 83 cents. Now obviously, if you're going to use Bitcoin, you see this is my earning balance over here. This is the minimum that I told you about. So this is the minimum and this is the maximum, okay, that you can literally get. And there's 0 fees. They're not going to charge you any fees to withdraw this. Okay, so you will need a perfect money account or Bitcoin. I use the Bitcoin to withdraw my money, so you can use any of these others, but I think Bitcoin is cool. So basically guys, that's as simple as it is. You can withdraw your money and you can make this work for you right now. Okay, so that's basically how it works. Get into taskpays.com right now, and I will leave my referral link in the description. You can start with a free plan, but if you do decide you want to upgrade and you want to earn more money, obviously you're going to help me earn more money when you do that as well. So then we can literally have this thing make money. Okay guys, so my name is Denzel, and on this channel we talk about how to make money online. Now I'm trying to post videos on a daily basis, but for now we're working every week, and eventually we will post every single day. So if you're new to my channel, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button right here and hit the bell if you want my updates. Turn all notifications on, turn that bell on, and then what's going to happen is you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. By the way guys, I want to say thank you for all the subscribers that are actually on my channel right now. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers, and I couldn't have done this without you. You know, when we reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Okay, so we're gonna have a lucky winner. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but you will. When we reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give something to the audience, and I'm gonna choose one person that comments on my video. So comment on all my videos, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and at the same time just drop comments, you know, to let me know if this was helpful to you, because so far this is a really good opportunity. So I will see you guys in the next video.